All right, I'm on my way to see a dear friend who I have not seen for a long time. So I'm so excited to see her kasi she's starting a new chapter in her life, a new leaf. So let's see her. OMG! Grabe ka! Oh my gosh! Congratulations! Ang patient today is Miss Bea Alonzo ko. Ayan! Congratulations, V. Alright, since V's back, and so we're gonna make sure na she looks good. So we're gonna do the 2-minute magic lift kasi ito yung favorite niya. In fact, di ba dapat pupunta kang Aivee before?
Oo nga, sabi ko, gusto ko sana pumunta, pero traffic. Pero ngayon,
Alam mo,
post-wedding ko,
Oh.
sabi ko nga, kasi pag nag-2-minute magic lift ako, automatically, siya sold talaga, tapos contoured yung face. Sabi ko, dapat ko bang gawin before I get married? Kaya lang, sayang.
so ito talaga yung dapat gagawin mo.
Ito talaga.
Actually, this is really
This is my favorite now.
Oh, really?
Super dope. As in, automatic, very instant talaga yung lift niya. I love it.
Actually, this is really a pre-event treatment eh.
Oo, kasi
Yes.
instant talaga.
Yes. Alright, ayan. So, as Bea said, this is her favorite treatment. Hindi natin siya nagawa before the wedding, but nagawa natin siya after naman. Oo.
Yun naman ang mas importante, yung after the wedding, what you do.
Exactly. You're right. It's really about the marriage, not the wedding. So, yes, I'm so happy for you, B. So happy.
Love it.
Yeah. Huh?
So for today's injection, we want to get the